Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we'll learn how to implement conversion tracking for WooCommerce website in our Google Ads account, because I got many comments for our viewers and they told me to create a video on how to implement conversion tracking for a WooCommerce website, as WooCommerce is used in WordPress. So let me show you how to do it in dashboard. So now we are on the conversion action page. So we need to create a new conversion action. I'll click on the button and here we have the option website. We can choose the website and scan it. It will take some time, and as you can see, now website is scanned. We'll create a new conversion action. Select the category purchase and name the conversion action is WooCommerce purchase, so that we will able to know that this is the WooCommerce purchase section, and we'll use different value for each conversion, because as you know, the product price will be used as a conversion value. And now I will choose the data model, attribution model as a last click, and then I will click on the done button. And yes, we have created the conversion action here. I will click on the save and continue button. The conversion action is successfully created and we can implement the same through GTM. So I will use the GTM tag manager option here, and now we'll go to the GTM account, and here first of all we need to create two variables. So here we will create two variables, order ID and purchase value, as I have already created it, but I will let you know how to do it. There is a custom JavaScript used to create this variable. So first of all, what we need to do is click on the new button and name the variable as order ID, and then click on the configuration button, and here you will choose option JavaScript. And JavaScript, you need to put this script. I will add the script in the description so you can use the same from there. Okay, and then you can click on the save button. Once you click on the save button, like I have already created, so you have see that the order ID variable will be shown here. And in the same way, you need to create a purchase value variable as well. And in the same way, you need to click on the new button. Here you can put the name purchase, and then click on the configuration button, use custom JavaScript, and then put the script in the purchase variable and save it, as I have already created it. So I will discard the changes. As you can see, we have two variable already created. So now we'll go to the tag manager, and here I will create a new tag and I will name it. This is the easiest method to track conversion value for a purchase in our Google Ads account, WooCommerce purchase. So I will choose the option Google Ads conversion tracking, and now here is the part come. Now, as I have already created a conversion action in the Google Ads account, and now I will use the conversion ID from here. I'll use the conversion label WooCommerce purchase to, and now you need to put order ID, and now here you need to choose purchase variable which you have created, and in the transaction ID section you will use order ID which you have created with the script in the variable section. And then we will give a trigger, like on which page this variable will be triggered. So I will use page view, and I will choose some page view, and then we'll choose the page URL contains, as a WooCommerce website already have a same page, and that is checkout order received. When someone purchases our product, this will be the last page with the order ID. So we will put this as a trigger, like someone land on this page, it will count as a conversion, and the conversion value will be recorded in our Google Ads account. So I'll click on the same button and we will name it received page trigger, so that we'll able to know which trigger is this. It's already here, so I will order received one, and then we have already named the WooCommerce purchase for the tag, and I'll save it. And as you can see, now our tag is working properly. We'll click on this submit button and publish it, then it will work. As you know, we have already submit the conversion tags and published the same in the GTM account 1 hour ago, and now let's check our conversion tag is working properly or not. So as you can see, we are on the conversion action page and WooCommerce purchase. Now we are able to track conversion. As you can see, we got 35 conversion and the conversion value is here. So now we are able to track correct data in our Google Ads account. So this is how we can implement a conversion tracking for a WooCommerce website. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share, comment YouTube video so that we can create more videos like this for you. Thank you so much.